Welcome back. Hey, we are back.
Welcome back. It is what it is.
You know what we do. Street Talk Podcast. Thank you for the support, guys. Thank you for the support. Yeah. That's what we want.
And we do it for the people.
So
crazy.
And guys, you know that we always spit facts. Yeah, that's what makes us different from other Limpopo podcasts. We talk about things that are relevant and which we have proofs. Go watch our channel. Make sure that you're on our channel.
You get more and more.
We always posting. We have two channels. The High Up Table Podcast. That's where High Up Table Podcast we post the highlights. If you need more details about a particular topic,
we wish penny boom. We knew
that thing was going to happen, but it just that people we knew. And talking about that, I think that topic here, Makhadzi, it will lead us to this topic that we want to talk about. Copyright, actually. The copyright. But vanji ngamanda kamuzika washiwa venda ne. Abafesesi there's a business side of music and there's entertainment side of music, which are two different things, but they are related.
The emotions ka music. There's the emotions. Now boy, but too much entitled and there's too much emotions.
Nambanga nyinyi habata
not nganyinyi pezi nambanga mwana muntu one
ndobona niko generally ochipfi ukuphuza chinepe chantu ai ola muda gore ukubukiwa muna something kwamba mini
what I'm saying dori uyambori VenRap yo mira bathu yimira baimbi remember VenRap when it time in impact
hangori
ana artist injizazi bori they were promising ne no the akwambori mini akho una backing financial backing and uko bona mini then that was measure mini arani kwamba usimizoro ngona kwamba uzori VenRap the way nabangazo zwino hayi yomira bathu baimbi both nena kwamba uko takanyela ngori if richiko fi uko ulanga VenRap kurola una booking ndimuthu yabona booking every weekend ngoba ndimimi ngafika ulla ti asukutophi ukumubona obobukwa gega routine while ngobona
and mntwana khoula kha ara kufini ngola kha hip hop that guy ndimuthu ene okustika kha hip hop ngathi uchifi machero orwa nyimbo ya piano kana orwa nyimbo za manyalo
so ngithi kwambori uko takanye kha VenRap kwambori uko dibonara uko zama hako todomubela usike une anyamarara
uko pfunya
ri akhipe the spirit. We know the new generation in yabori bako in hip hop yabo iko ina influence of piano ngangomu kana bako shimisa zibiti za piano bo goose babo root kid there's a couple of guys that you check bompuna there's artists we see them getting booked week in week out on that hip hop piano version of Vendana Menti.
I have a question, Mara. Do you regard that as hip hop? Kana ndimi
arari
gusporala rookie diorala zina kuimba zone zwini bo fortunate zina kuimba zone zwini bo mpuna
it's just rap. They are rapping on a different beat, but it's not hip hop. Does
not
represent the full cycle of hip hop.
You like a VenRap? Yeah, that's true.
It's like more of a sub genre. Yeah, VenRap. So the rap, the hip hop, that VenRap, the passive VenRap, kuna genre. Hey, ina ku influence wanga piano and different kind of other sounds.
Or other than that reason, we got 5 songs of VenRap. Those songs, should I play them or should I not play them?
You can play them because we don't have anything popping. Those guys are representing through different sound. Let's be honest. Who is popping Kaka VenRap right now? You know, I know like in the Azwara, I'm not really getting involved with it. But, okay. Ukoita muzika, which leads to some of the fans, they've been die-hard fans. And when it's about the image, is still there. Ukotaka nyaka VenRap. But we don't compare. Those boys, the winner was smart guy, were kidnapping. Bani Diapo, the way we push something about it, strictly hip hop, ne?
Yeah.
Which that's where they're playing
which
mind
attract
games.
Those other people whenever ofuna piano kind of version.
Yeah. Because if you listen to KO, they have that influence here. What I mean,
the Afro pop,
the Afro pop, I mean it. But I don't want to switch it back to the normal. I want to influence here quite. Which then becomes more of almost our original sound. But one thing in the Zori, VenRap, we don't really have anything
yeah.
Beside wo Gooseba, wo Root Kid, wo Mpuna,
I think
wo Fortunate.
Yeah.
We can count, it's few of these artists when they're getting booked in and out. Because ahuna mtu noko the Jaivera Ruimbo ni wadoro kwamba ngolida. Ngolida
Bian.
Who are you gonna bring? People will go. Ne? Because they wanna listen to that love song because it's the complimenting but sound again in that African kind of vibe thing. So anyone wanna bring emotional songs. I don't want to tell a story na mini mara story changu chiri nanga biti zine zina muvango.
So, which means it's safe to say uri ufanana hip hop ya national. It's influenced by different kind of sounds.
Yeah.
Nacheka the number 1 songs, number 1 and number 2 songs razwini. I see hip hop originally.
Yeah, it's not pure hip hop.
KO the Afro pop, Afro beat,
Afro kind of sound.
Yeah, Afro beat, aka Lemons. It's popish.
Yeah, it's a pop sound.
So, which means it's safe to say hip hop is influenced by different genres. Maybe it's not zone pano venda, VenRap na
Iko evolve into
influence what I mean.
What I mean, scomp sound.
Yeah, yeah, different type of
scomp
music.
Sound, piano,
yeah.
mini. It's just that most of these artists, Zashu, they are not capitalizing on the sound. Look at Batoni. Batoni jumps from different sounds.
Yeah.
And he makes sure that and not forget, Nainam says that he's getting bookings.
Yeah.
I don't know how we forgot him. Na yoko wala kene category wa jita booki wa venda.
Yeah.
But we don't have more than 10 artists.
But they are
not 10 as in just
5.
I don't retonga na 5. Digunda ba ina wana ribunja ba mbibono booki wa venda. But what come naturally? How? Uko book of ambibati? Abana ko the bachi wa. Bakwita means no at the tractor.
Are they?
Doing
what the market is doing.
Yeah. So if Nisako Wamba Afusa or market you're not in the market.
Fair marketing.
So if you're not in the market.
And talking about tracks, when I hit like when a body go trend, there is another show younger. Yeah, Micah the music.
Micah. Yeah.
Yeah.
The poetry guy.
If you mean,
I forgot the name.
Anna Moshke. Yeah.
It's doing well.
Yeah.
I just wish Spotify would pay like Come on.
And
the sad part about Spotify and other dzimwe dzinthu dza streaming ndi zori vunzhi ya vhathu ri celebrate dzi streams mara bank account chikolira
ndofana ndakuzvipa iyo zvipera vhathu badi achiro withdraw 16,000 nga mwedzi kuzvipa uyu waratiwa wherever kanthu
unless akwamba obase ka YouTube
kamosi kamosi mara
big numbers does go back into ka YouTube
uri utembesa kanthu ka iTunes okuzipa
na vaimba commercial about
and you know I hope sadzi trend actually there are different types of trends trend about the word not trend na cheka treke ya Mike ne it's not trending ka social media.
That's something about him. I want to tell you something about Mike ne Mika ndi vamwe vathu vo thoma u dzhena kha streaming long time ago. So dzhenisa muzika kha streaming is trend. That guy has a fan base in is not local. There's a lot of people that follows his music out of this country. There's so many people that enjoys his music. Come on. It's because as you are going to trend, you're really doing that good. Come on. Yeah, you'll do good. Mara watu wengi wa trender wana muzika wabo. By the time wachopanga muzika ka iTunes, ka the streaming na main. Bono bafeshe. Ngori ningasazo mtu o dropa. Uri muramudi boom.
Mwana banalo.
Nachaka digital store zote ti.
Nasarwar.
Uko upanga after a year or after 7 months or 8 months. Ora urimbo watu bono za shanguzi. People don't really
shut up. Ukubona. So mara checking kaimwe side kana coming from a different type or different side. Usa trenda ka social media. Don't you think that's why you see people have streams but they're not getting booked kama ketu wa vendor?
Yeah. This is not just coming to a vendor.
Yeah.
The whole world. Yeah.
Because you can promote it.
You can have
they
trends.
look for trends.
If you are trending, you'll bring fans.
Yeah.
Number one. So if it's your market, or mama reba,
nika stream. Ubaka stream azambu zuri nika market.
And we know stream farms. Bongo batu bako no utamba zi repeat it. Baba boto bako repeat. Bako no badari music utamba over and over. So nazo stream farm una mean. But what's ndabandiori ni the buka hani mutu ane hanga no dini bisara chede mra.
Yeah. We
do have artists na foji fi wala mwimbuko rwabadi. And chi mfana ina mfa ro mwimbuko rwalu. Mara muna batu bane abakono ushikera muzika wao.
Yeah.
The artist is not trending enough. Artists which was the promoter the church na bana shitratani mamu. Yama trega miwe ya dominant na badani.
And the geo. I'm telling you, if you go now, if you go now, apa badan, nari, sete, wana, ugoro, ngalawa ngawa ngikwele, la. Wala kungabu kono reverse ya think yang stana.
Ya pereda. So what do you expect is gonna happen?
What do you expect?
The person needs to get booked. Mara then if you wanna bring someone ane uko dhori budanga zi numbers.
Yeah.
Repeat janga Facebook ina watu wa 40,000. Kana ina watu wa 4 million. Mini Twitter yanga ina mini. Enda una watu wanina wana mtu una 300,000 ya zi followers ka Twitter achi post ai. A comment watu wa sigis every time.
Hacksoon. Music. But it's not blame Hacksoon music zo unasama. Bawana watu baso.
Hey.
Makhadzi una million views obhala ngasama.
You know what I mean? So Ndrina says that these whole things, it also goes back ni artist. Have una team in here where is dedicated to push muzika wangu noita mini na mini. Na dzinomboro dzine dzaziko raka zvi streams na dzi views kazi YouTube na mini. Nya dzibona na ini.
Yeah.
Ngobona nya dzibona riya.
Una backing.
Una backing. There's no one artist or a line. Ninga or signiwa nga record label. Anga hange ka record label. Ngabona nyimbo kama zine chimwe chifunga wa poster ka channel yawo ya YouTube. Nas the nyimbo zaone
they
struggle to reach a million kana reach 500,000 kana certain amount. Mara za post wa ka channel ya record label within a week. Already at 2 million. Come on.
And Tazon Diori, I think most artists, but never sign you. Comes in the manor and sign you one. Obviously, Brazadungas Zirate, you'll be with them studio and I mean. The problem now comes, Brazam, as you good, the business side. One of them just there to have fun. Niji vanga the character le bull.
Give you an example. That girl Elaine. Remember to me abanayo yeah vangana bawe ne
brother.
But what happened actually overseas? New management.
New management.
That tells you they don't even understand market wow.
Yeah. And then I check those people who were pushing her achengeno. Most of them wait a minute.
No, because
so obotonga
market wa udiwanga bala batho. Now market wa wacha kono mshikere.
Ngwana habe ile names rainbows anchadi.
Because wako zama muita artist,
international artist.
She could still be an international artist. Ako build you from here. Team yawe hey lani ichikoro assist you.
Yeah. Ichikoro to see
agonya atuwa achitoa highway achibuya achiya. Come on. Zifana ndizo ina rinkisa nonga record label ya kwa manager no dubo manager gospel. Had divi nix. Ngazi promoter za mapiano. Una beef nabo. What is that person gonna do? Come on. I won't mention the name, but there's this artist nae Osafara the same fate. Aka hip hop. Or actually singer. But Tazia very manager our way over us understanding. Come on, record label you allocator. Somebody who knows nothing about career when I'm zika unaita wo. Same thing as award. Those things goes like a lot. So I think I'll give an example. As Makhadzi. Angarachi back open mic. She need a team. A very strong team.
She don't want buddy, friendly. You can be a friend, Mara. You must know how to do stuff.
You must be learning how to do things. One. Now araya chianta. Danuri. But some people think zuguma ko record rimborwa. And that's it. A brand and image in it. There's a lot of things that goes into all those things. Come on. So nani kwamba na copyright.
Yeah. Talking about the same thing. The elephongo riser ngaha murau ha musi batho ba kori. No so se batho man. Helauti mukulu muke ikori Makhadzi otorimbo lwanga. So ndabona zo rai man. No. Actually people, you must go watch our videos about that. We have more details there, but you are lucky because you are watching this now. We are about to get to try and explain mafunga never kwetu behind copyright ngamanda kama music. Copyright is how the new protector chishine na banacho kama muzika ngamanda. Yeah, ore muthu asongishumisa usina tendero yano. Therefore, bana copyright because of whatever you agree on.
And so ujalo yarengwana limona rinkolisa doni merera.
Hayi.
They say ndiko uzibona watu banyi bakuziita. Okosoko kutobera.
Kujua lawyer no shimo nga child feminine. child support.
Wakubidza ndika. Odza ndika.
Ndikare.
Ndika ngani tusanga case inji. Mara unless maybe achisa to diva achi understand the copyright law na mini.
Nazo mini muntu ene lawyer ene ashuminga izo zitu. Ufana nene niri kobala imilayo. Nazo.
Utawari expose you to the other.
Ndikwamba rufana niri kobala imilayo ngori rote amba mwana ndo quote nari tickets ndo tickets nga ngongwana.
That is section 107 of 19 something.
Utoko ibala maranga akuno tickets zori. Hey, no mna tickets zo bini mi. Yeah, so unaba tunaona ribunje watu bashumisa zitreka za bamwe kana bashumisa lyrics za bamwe. So the general colors of would unawafungo ene we have seen so many people doing it or sample beat ya the beat ya mumutu kana hey you know what I mean yeah usampula beat so the wood bikulula beat usampula tizino ni vanoshumisa una almost like 5%
kwambo tini ya beat ya
na
bikulula helani helani ya hola nichi bikulula na kono idzangera nga zwa so ya sara it was 5%. Usampula as fano remake the Jamaicans as a remake so usampula it's just that abe usawano zwamzuri mapona kweta one ndione wona na sampula beat ya Drake asaniwane azamzuri the right zidifana nikongwana zibalko difana na mungu ane akodia chipazani cha watu basi za tungwa toka tusa malegere nikongwana hako wani mara zamzuri mini utwa so guys if you want to sample someone's beat sample it has to be cleared. There are laws and regulations or permissions that you should follow in order to get that sample cleared. There's no one about what you have signed on the company. Yes. I think in a groove. Yeah. When you company then share. No, yeah. Tony, share publishing. Yeah, I think they do handle your clearing sample. As a record label, they do assist you. So, what is the sign on the record label? But those who sample too much. Yeah. And those guys, they have lawyers who are dedicated to that. To draft something. It can be 2% to the original guy. You get what I'm saying? So, but Andy, record the 8. Yeah. You know you'll make money as a performance. People don't mind that. Same thing that happened to Bana Boymara, I think Orobrayangamanda no Shimisa voice and Uri Achamba Aradumla correct. Ori ene we happy about the whole sampling. The reason Oita Hela Trek Yaba the way in Yabangai. He knew Uri there's gonna be an issue and then he didn't care how much he's gonna request as samples kinda mean. All he cared about was that he's gonna make money. He's gonna get booked and it's gonna take him far. So it was all about growing his brand. Come on. And it really did work for him. The brand did grow. And also you might find that whoever owns the copyright can come with their own mirayo. Yeah, because I think you can't perform this song. Stuff like that. There's so many ways around it. Yeah, but when I tell stories winji, but most of Nigeria 100% and royalty. Already no so go itani so go amba. But those one, I think na another rimbo ya P Daddy oriani. Don't hara kemera Bhee. Funeral rimbo ya 132. One oriani. But if I'm correct or simple somebody on that, Jorginho, he pays a lot from that song because I think if I remember total Ndukobare last time it was like 2,000 rand a day. that when that song is used, like he doesn't get anything out of that song. Except if he's performing.
So you cannot sample someone's beat without permission unless if that beat is a free beat. Yeah, that was posted, but mostly now, but whenever it is beat, even if I post a free, what I mean, you cannot do this. Yeah. So there's always like a licensing involved with that. And another one, I don't want to do lyrics the moment. The same thing that Makhadzi was doing there on the song, or she did on the song. Oroshimisa Milandu be. And those words are not common words.
Yeah.
And
the guy, Anakumaki's or Ultra, he went and used Carry Mix.
Yes.
Carry original song Yahweh. It was few words. Ne?
Okay.
No, it was few words. Ngahange Carry Mix. Auto Gia everything adoba. I don't. I did almost similar melodies. Then I found out Uri. Because remember, I was saying no, most artists might not find most fans deep. But obviously, Gori is a new generation. They won't know penny. But one of the journalists from Malawi, she's been a journalist, I think, for more than 20 years. She came and started saying, you know what? We back in the days, penny was very famous this side. The same way Makhadzi is. Are the same way Makhadzi is now here. Penny was famous like that. So we know these songs. These songs, yes, this is a hit. So then I was like, okay, so the media company, I want you to break a story. Malawi 24. What the hell were they talking about? So they didn't do their research to find out Makhadzi was there. Gale, na penny was there. What that get remixi, which is.
So you are not allowed to use someone's lyrics word for word, like hey, my penny, hey, my penny, something like that. You're not allowed to use those words exactly they are, unless if arari umafungo no dowere ya
yeah, ndiyanifu
kana ngalo mean ndinde we obuya bilimi
it was that those
ones you can do namzi umuntu ayimba
nyimbo za kereke nyimbo za zihimbugu
yes, those ones are free. So what Makhadzi was doing there, that's why she had to go to Papa Penny.
Actually, she said Papa Penny came to her.
You see?
And said, can you record this song?
You see?
And they ended up, because one thing in the stories was, it's more of people want to know, hey, Papa Penny, come on.
And it's back now.
He's getting back into the game.
He's back.
It's what you're supposed to do as a legend. Team up with the kids. That's what Tira does. Oskido.
Yeah.
What those guys, they do that.
You're allowed. So that point, I'm sure you heard it. You're not allowed to use someone's lyrics word for word. Unless if let me talk about this next point. Chitera cha muzika ningachitwa chashumisiwa
ndizino zokuitiwa rimbo ndakutochelesa verse za randa wadzinokupusa it's like ndine munne musi arecorda la sungori everybody uko sound like auna mutu anakoto uko wa stand up
that time uchibva ndianifuna but it's not enough ombodiva hey zaka yarambani
wafunze
chitera chachiwa it's allowed urinitso chitera
what is happening now?
Nachakaseri tibeni haninga pekeningambe peka tibeni haninga but we're talking about tibeni haninga
the copy and paste
that one is allowed, you can do that. Chitera chachiwa ningemba zozo zwino nyongembasa zozo kana something does Bonu yine morengera.
And it's all I think when you start, you need to start recording those songs.
Yeah, I think I was something else can say you the moon. Sa ishi.
Or Alike Yanel.
Sa ishi. So Chitera Shatsiwa.
It's what's happening today.
Yeah. Chitera
Shatsiwa. The flow.
That's really you are. Flow. That's really you are. Mama Funga no you can have the same song as name.
Yes, a cover
name.
Song.
Okay, I title.
Oh.
Title. You can have ninga sorry bono rufindi any phone and then episode rufindi any phone.
Friend, I'm not grill you.
So nyimbo Beyonce ngapsali bono rufi I'm Beyonce.
I'm not an reviews.
I'm not a review that I'm Beyonce.
Man, I say.
On the comes in Donaka.
Don't imagine Diana makeup.
So you're allowed to do that. You're allowed to have the same naming title
of the song.
Yeah, of the song as another song. And another one, you're allowed to do a cover of any song which has been released. The Amazon.
Yeah, you can. Somebody might have a song and you go and do cover song. Those ones that famous market when I'm talking about. It's a cover song. As
long as you don't get to a point where you make profit or you license that song as yours
without permission.
Without permission. That's when ujifino twaruimbo. Another one, ninga remake a ruimbo. You are allowed to remake any instrument, but you have to put your own vavavoom on that song.
It's more like sampling and somebody's song.
Yeah.
But now you change the whole thing.
Yes.
The guitar,
ninga kick. Kana ngwana
rekwambo rikosdiwa
azitwa romwe biti zote zi
udalo biti hapa badoko mbikula.
Another one, nyimbo za karekezi nji zikuvaka zihimso kazimbugu
asifone mongwala wasikori ndo I wrote.
You're allowed to do that. You're allowed to do that. One.
Yeah.
Adani taki ndo kana ropwa manyaga advisa Boruka Yehova. Araruoneka
ntundo washikara naimba.
Ngona araruoneka ka imbugu. Let's go naimba.
Boruka.
Ngona boruka yo. Achini ngona unaendelea sasa sitanga manda. Ntudo dali imba lo ba fimi worshiping me.
Worship.
Person worship kana. Person worship.
It's never there's worship in between.
That's not in Borough Prison. Boruka Yehova. Boneba muketwa. Ngwana. Ada. Newi. Boruka.
Ada wala mo sound like. Ile fast play.
Boruka. Wala. Riboruti ruko ba vibe. Those got 6.
No, me vayaniwa bachiri mlenje ko baba mara ngono oro chanzungulu atantika mara oro chanzungulu wengi
izikani ni madofisa na raba jori le kare ya kukambana
ngara
acha strong ndio zido
kambana ichikambana
raba majidora mulomo.
So there's those things that people do. It's just that some people don't wanna understand or retain.
Yeah.
Come on.
There's those things. So there is no road in there the breakdown like this. So you guys can see Uri Kashtori Makhadzi. Who was wrong?
Yeah.
Who was wrong? Kastori Makhadzi.
Who unleashed someone?
Who was wrong Kastori Makhadzi? Because even if narinoimba ruimbo, marasina proof we. They matamba bana because
na
proof.
Because namsingopanga ruimbo ka DJ store. sometimes because of algorithm.
Yeah.
But pick up
this
beat similar to someone. Now you need to show
the proof.
Unorenga beat kana you make it.
Kana you made it, yeah.
Yeah. That's it over. Hey, talking about to prove. Takubona ziko trend angori hayi. Ndobona ninji kwamla chimani kwamborani kongopenyerera ndongocheno wese. Obona fike Alicia una wabana. Wabana zvino. Ndobona mumwe customer kombori na bana baba ku glow. Bana bawe kana Alicia. Vanhu bana bahoyiwe muringi.
Mazoenda bana Alicia badora
vako glow. So azikofindwa tsukisa vana. Kombo oil na mini. Nya glow. Ibvisa mafurasione yasiya mafura bukuma. Mwako ayiko dyamborana na masoro totuwa mzimu hayi. Alicia she it. Alicia konverera vanhu. She's pushing.
Ndabona opa na galado. Ela tiri mami na diba ndingo. Tena raketa ngigo. Hata kikatsa mipo.
Be
fire. Kapedi. No one I could only she was, fire. I have solution.
Fire.
Mami ni tibanding go.
Fire.
Tena tibanding go.
Fire.
Mami asim to a deep.
Fire.
Nema na bonaba deep.
Fire.
Dari fire. Ika kala mwana ndwa.
Edio, latra jiwa latra.
Ika kala mwana.
Latra mi wasabudi ila litreke watu fikeli ati.
Laya wasabudi na fina mi na Milandu Bhee. Market was a buyapa. I'm going to go.
When I come on duty, Lord, market electric. I want to go to my actually. DJ searching Yamber.
Mara, from whatever we gave na fortunator of E. Mami,
we're busy.
Man, fortunate someone. Oh, can you do and pick up? Hey, Zindwe.
Some of the community, I can understand.
I can understand. My jive the FPU.
Mami wapeds wako ba fortunate.
My jive the FPU. Fire.
Man, talking about bookings.
My TikToker.
Hey, TikToker.
My YouTuber.
I don't know about TikToker, but look at this. That song in Mami Village can be a hit. But one thing I'm seeing, I can say Syria, she's had to dominate her in the Venda Ngororaro, ne? But Venda, she seemed to have replaced Mkosi. If you look at the bookings.
Namukororo
bacha signing you. It goes back to the Rokambo
Ugo short fire!
Management. Who's a understand the market one can be a problem. Look at this.
I think maybe they're still trying to study the market.
What? Wow. Mukororo, there was nothing to study. She had the market already. She had the market.
I blame her to Gzin.
The problem they're gonna try and drop an album before, because he's supposed to drop like 5 singles. Then the work high rotation before he can drop an album.
Ara beromba na rinsa visa track zwino. None is what chinga chikope. Ara ndo visa track zwino. December ndo lituva.
Ndo kwanyiwa.
Ndizo tati fire hapa.
Fire.
Mami ngiba ndingo. Chena galado ndingo. Fire.
Na galado ndo mforo mimi. Nalo difera mami page. Ogeta fire.
DJ man.
So what I'm saying, if you look at it, Syria, she's getting booked almost the whole weekend.
Yeah.
And then these guys go gooseba. If you check those posters, looks like she have replaced Nkosi Venda right now. Come on. So I'm hoping she will keep on rising. Ravona community. Ichiba fortunate. Mami batakara.
Mara, I think the best way that you can do for yourself, I think zine makazine ngwita zone. Uri. Record label inipe freedom le yorimin. I can record songs everywhere. Then yeah, we are mera choose. I mean, ngore narindela record label chin record die.
No, you can have a record label in recording. Mara, if you don't push, you don't do things for yourself. No combat has a record weti. Nindo jura ngore record label no nena baimbi banji. Obviously. Pay attention. You have to fight for it. Otherwise, in the zongo lama chaka chaka, bako lama roto operera.
Papa si balama ke.
Come on. There's no artist go back frustrated. Mara, you're jura angela record label ichitant. Good. Masina record label pay attention and put their weight behind you. Niko dena rimbo call, rimbo mini. You call meetings, Baba. You like, guys, let's talk, let's do this. Mara, if you're gonna keep quiet and they forget about you.
By Bibanja better check, they are not vocal and they don't know the business side of this.
Yeah.
So you can't call meetings that they wish you to.
You wanna tell me, Uri? Took zero drop a hitting gun. Zinesh Tratanda zuko dominate. But as zingo kona, cause nae ugo release amutu at more recordazu. And let that go. Or release a line with Regina Page, which was gospelish now. That thing was dope. And if you look at the whole of South Africa, he's the only artist in Dangari or DJ or producer anyabori is focused kapiano gospel. Who has the right sound for gospel right now?
Yeah.
Which can win. But when you look at it in Wanori, they're not putting much weight behind it. By jela nyumbo alam kanado jua eso zikerekenizi. See? Dlaterka za perform around kerekeza venda zote kuruan. I'm telling you, Rauna,
they are making you a gospel. Compare, I think Kerekeni to perform you. Or Robert May was
like he started his own piano gospel in here where it's good. Use it. Don't wait for the record label.
On the record label.
That's it, women.
On the record label.
Nikomna Rambo Petrol Dura mini. Then Mbuza Alama Tangochko people go on 12 liters no worth 8 million. Kuchoga. Pipe. To give him some petrol ishida. Nkobora comes petrol record done for Vala. It's covered the ben.
Ishmanga pipe.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Ishmanga traka.
Matraka wako isa garage.
This one is true.
It's true. Unabanji muno diso wako kwasha pipe.
Patronishi pela samadi.
Ito gidima. Okay, what was this? Is no renga khasi. Jifi khasi ko va guy. Yo jina pasi ranjini. Ini waru gidim sani pasi ranjini.
Khasi ko va ranjini.
Komba khasi ni ina da gas lena da zero. Afika msi
ko ranjini.
Inda. Una kama mashango hii. It just cross. Russia ito crosses. It just goes through the pipes. So pipe the transmit ola muno kofi okorodi what they like 8 million liters.
Pro share pipe.
Yeah, wakuta zo share pipe bachira kama traka nyala.
Yes, waniwa.
What one you offer you that guy?
Oh,
they were the ringleader, one of the ringleader
they recovered the 8 million.
8 million liters is in the guy. 100 and something million. I think
they have recovered it.
I want to recover. We just
go. I said the end. We're around 20 minutes randa.
Oh, it's million Nisa. You can check it there. You can check it. You can check it.
It's a vacuum memory phone or my zero on the board that is.
Yeah, so that guy offer a wheat bank.
Yeah,
the batu I don't want to move around about deliver petrol. Hamatragara on ana askwa itange chena. Longo no filoma kwa ngalazo nga fa possibilities na mini. Ala banna kwa mbozo nyongo riba kuba wako bozo zi petrol. So wako iro bakatangi can't ka pipe.
Tofura sama.
So ziyambo zori if wako dia 8 million liters. rine ri ḓo tea u badela vhugari ngori vho
Abi badela nga vheyo.
ntsho share
Ya khela, no ya khela. Ha feel until you're rengiswa nga vhutsotsi. Government yo lose.
iko tea u bya kha ri
Yo recover tshelede.
iko tea uri ri tea u badela vhe ngo tea Shoprite ntsho renga vhurotho na no go
Kodi ya vheiwe. Isha ulisi na renga vhurotho na ukuita 50 rand.
Yeah, so it's something zwine zwazo sumbedza uri some of the things the crime ine ko affect na economy because that's a lot, man. That's a lot.
Hey, don't want in my video. Hatubari upi untantu kuhulera man. Uya dantumbu kuhulera. Na zibodoni. Kana video go bigger ntumbu. Ago big.
Rene ria promoter zwithu kha social media ti. And muthu azijia uri goruzo radio wako zifavor zamburu zi right. Zvino va worse.
We are the who promote.
Bo promote of mrao. Zvino no va worse.
Ndona go bigger ni mitsinga watamati ziko posola raro.
Orusa mke guti mke kuduwa chibika mrao.
Akamuro watanga vya pala ngoja.
Kuzungu. Wari ula tamate ize bula.
Madiano ro i. Eso kwa.
Ni afere ni atamba.
Ni atamba. Hapo kwa otamba fagini achitamba hapo la. Ego dia gerere. Antu mubia danu ko yesa. Ratu no mukuzo vakaro obuyada.
Nezo zungasanyu. Zungasa NOTA.
Mara mali.
Ngobuya ne. But ba praise azwithu ka social media. Si. Yeslani vachiona zori tongari avachakona zvimwe.
Vavori hai.
Vavori zokhakhe.
Di bipolar wapenga.
But you've been praising.
And uri I think NTUMBU amafungo omu affect body omujina thawon. Ori ni chector femin
comedy.
Ndio chira comedy.
Ifuno sokudzana kuvita.
Na uzono tsuka nisingotamba.
Na one azungotoitwa hone ini. Komuzozwa zola batangala ni one Rula wote wa representative bilingana nyana actor nyana. Udzura mbra lige business. Dole ko business li jasi na wana gawe eni. Sufuro zero ko papiti.
Energia makotwa mangazwa budhi. No diba.
Oye ntando ani pala ngochimbira. Ari mini wamuno. No diba.
Bama
Character.
NTUMBU na mapo mujana tawoni alori. Anto zano rada. And on our life yao tokena. Yela diara.
Mara plaka chupingara chibona achikutumu ba clean ne pala.
No. I clean in the chupingara.
Na we party ya wamba na kushoti. Kamza ko bachikuru.
Ela diara anto mapo na kwa yesa viata.
Oro, osarori ari derere.
Muna.
Eza lugo dia. Na kuna mali wono biko ala magura kazi release. Luone. Okay, ati divi. Kuna mwe wako dia ati. Wala muna rifa. Na muna ngare hapo kwa varu gubo. Ashera. Na wandri ila neno ina ngomona video Neno ngomona ndo so.
And if it's the varu ngomona.
Ngomona sana. Nono valito. Because I'm looking like, Ivan, what are you do?
Don't forget the video. Tara jina kupumula aje kwa peni kupumula ngacho zipa.
Ayo.
Tara jina kupumula aje kwa peni ni mwilo ni kupako fabiko.
Jango ni fai dogo. Mimi amana waya gengori.
Akora tina mia bana.
Mimi amana mia. Orna.
Abanga sime.
Nona kumachiri bobuya.
Basime. NTUMBU sukufuzgo yesa.
Yeah, but arero ba ko kondo ko bololori. But wa praise zwithu sizani NOTA. But we praise NOTA for the wrong things, ne? Right now ubizi uko sema Makhadzi. Babidza zidera. Mimi mama metro. which by I think by law ara vachidwa mulayo ti achingafarwa for this obstruction of what babada golo dziko tofira okay traffic of law what inazana pa gole panda kati ya bad.
So not necessarily. Let me break it down. So NOTA
who is Raso?
NOTA is the guy and Otanya Marai is arrogant and he thinks
he knows his parents are wealthy and he's
so,
well protected.
Zvaita zvone nyavani kuchimbira pakabhadha gore nechinyara nemakwati abhadha, it's allowed as long as ningoradzi hazard ningaima pakati abhadha. So that's what NOTA did. NOTA came in anefala jena wayashikaima one aradzi hazard. Obviously he was well aware.
But the disrespect. We live in a country in every day.
The disrespect now, those guys, they were not able to arrest him. You know why? Pastor Mufare. Arari ne mandadena ni sema in. If you want to say panda police lenga simfare. I have to open a case.
Something. If it was just someone, Westing whatever traffic
you know, that traffic officer can now open a case.
Which is that's what mean. That's dumb cop now. Ngomala munna wo for da gore gidi ma high speed. See? I want to for case. They went after him. NOTA ndio smezori unabana banji bane bachibona watu bafuma kazi ma traffic baba kuba abuse ne. The treatment is right zone. Zibazo kusumbeza bana batukuri. You can be arrogant and treat women the way you want. All those things you know talk with as well. No budori. What I mean is lazori nena metric na nini. Una batu bane abakufuna shuma kala vitu. They are depressed.
Mara okay,
they can wake up now not if you would the ngati.
Yeah.
Because ochikoro spend mingwa 10 years ago like chitu. Mara they can't get the job.
Udam dinwa mutu ndi Milandu. Arakwanga mulayo.
Arakwanga mulayo I think natavera police hayani. Because police alawa wana something bad kana ngona tikiti kana ngona confrontation bad. Namtevera hayani wa Flori now I'm not safe. Ziambo zori arizjezwete ya Senten ti ujura Glen na driver murawa we uva Senten kumtoverera ati chaisa usika unia zurawa ziambori safety of that person is compromised, wasting na jena video na isaka social media, which means now everyone uwo divori mini police aheli alijuraga
mara mboso yangake uda mudhini wa mutu ndi Milandu
arate ngomutawe ndi trespassing
no
mara ngori man ngori hango jena mudhini hola mtu kuti angavura case ya environment intimidation
afini kwamba zono zoro uda mudhini wanu
ndiko chuisiwa
asi Milandu and aso chuisa arari. So okay, this is how it works,
if you gonna come and you start telling me uri ndiri noita mini ngokumrani chiri mini
yeah azondu chuisa
now NOTA oskapula akosema
okay
now that's intimidation.
Mutu ada mudhini wanu kamusi nichizura petu neovaleriwa ari apotedza na muvurera ajena hana Milandu koroje na petu wanu. It's not trespassing. Yes, it's not trespassing.
You can't intimidate a law enforce. What do you want?
Now, not out of Makhadzi.
Yeah. Oh. And nam's no one the police are not going to. So Zambos worry on Makhadzi. I'm traumatized. Now the war point as
Makhadzi ka report Milandu untud. Mara Milandu unenda ko nyo jena ka wondu you worry upaka gore bad. As Milandu. Hola. Gore ya chinyara bada gore ya paki wane pala.
Ora road block ninga paka
Ni hapa akapala.
Natumu basema.
Okay, unosema. Usema ndi minima.
Wabuzori ndizidahera ngojina
chiko. Nusema. Usema si matamba.
Kama na matamba chiko jena. The F what?
Mara chiko ifaba la FF mini.
Ni to the matomo.
Nda ifa matomo ni. Ifa matomo na. Tuko ifa mara fuck mini.
Wala mwana social media ko praise.
Usema mara ndi mini.
It's a disrespecting someone in a way that they feel uncomfortable.
Hey, so the disrespect and means of the amafungo waro marro jana zo with the arasinga no, but you're allowed to take pictures to videos. You're allowed. Namra photos and you can take videos.
And then CPA can still come after you.
For what?
For posting now.
Yeah, video you can take it so that you can be evidence.
But now you are
posting is another story.
And then now you go expose. You know the problem there meaning. That in my police. See? Now you go expose. Like but the moment you move for dapala. Hango da chizuka kyao, hango da chovonda, hango kangwa sabala ni winda wanabuka hango mshimuna mini. Ini ni ngo mjena mposter. Nichi mposter now. Nikobea life yawe in danger.
Or ini Adam to come you for day.
The Kambori, Bango back on for the by some.
But you wouldn't know. You wouldn't know
by some shumo.
It's all about judgment. It's all about judgment.
Only Farasala. Now we are walking out on a bodero. Achi wachi bumburua, akizamuka kwa zuko bara.
Nema, hapa kuna zofa na mini. Borani, kipa iko gaba pen. Kipa yangi mtembe yangi. It's all about guessing. Kana judgment ya Mungu.
Aba na mapolisi na ngoto mwana ukangwa chale uko uona chigidi na mini. O balo chimwe. O ifara bode. Sala mkara wako uwa. Ko bwana. Wako uwa. But what I'm saying for utindizori. If nichidori ini ningo shika. Na maniko batu bako shuma. Na maniko basema. Uri ini unina shuma on. Mutu ada ni mufolisa line azura 2 hours. I'm just giving you an example. Mara lazo tu wanga NOTA. Araba zo itu wanga mutu ane hawe aungo pfumiwa ti. It's just mutu mbone.
Mara usema ndi mini.
Usema. The reason and the foot akolo recover control ageti are no emela bada no emela minimum wage. You still need. Why do you say you need them to do certain things if you feel they don't deserve to be there?
So nema ndinga rero za mafungo NOTA iti asu disrespect and unyaza
no disrespect
no you undermine
one the same thing
onyaza obanyaza
and there's also rotomo
obanyaza asuba femin asuba sema he undermined those police
and there's utoma
and undermine the Milandu
Marabuna asutoma utiti asutoma it's becoming a trend. Yori awana metro police hangari kana bako ngwana mtu tikiti awori una goledzine pando na traffic uko ndo tumova usemana wasting now otebelera nyabuna ngazotebelera muzana yani.
So yeah, I love ngo ndiko imanalo ne lori Milandu evuliwa mara Milandu evuliwe individually use mapolisa ivulongo fi onyaza mapolisa aivulongo fi
every individually dari
yeah osema nema onyaza nema use onyaza mapolisa
use moment Gale
ngwana otebera nyinyi hayani ngwana usuri otebera mapolisa
and abevuro 1 year 5 ni 6 7 80
ngwana
but at the end of the day
it's a case.
One thing is worry at the end of the day the way no behave ngayo na social media ko mu praise see udosika une adorwa mu police ngampa. I'm telling you, and I actually retaliate achimthunja ti bathu bari mara romo bona zori NOTA sharp because if you look at behavior ya way so zan omakombo fi posters no chiri msadzo homeless automafi we yibo biela akubuzori homeless ukotambula msadzo achiposta story afa arari ko findi homeless at least ndikudzura fetu waso
ndinamwe mbudziso apa nema alama police kana alama metro kana the law enforcement nabone bakupindura
abakupindura
kusibezori mini that thing was not longer nga mulayo. Ngwana
It's something called
ngori nabone if vachidwa mulayo nimsokushare
self defense.
Ngwana it was personal that thing now.
It got personal and self defense.
That's what you that thing is ara kuvula Milandu. Utovula Milandu yofi 1 on sema 1 oita mini 2
on provoke
3 on tebela hayani have comes the protection order mini
nah I don't think kuchida ka tebela police hayani abe police una chigidi na mini we know the ona police manyana kujela zvigidi zviambori ini vanga diri nani ngomutevela na intention of no one a lawyer is wrong they can build a case out of that but intentions.
Yes, that's what you kwambori abomfumakazi bane boteveleliwa abaye baite case yabo even individual ngozana kwamba zone
ba warenga safety yabo
ngori aradu huko pfi mina ndiko vuliwa bopindura nabone
mara bomtevela ya
ara usema yebo ari ngurita zwa kwembo okusemaniwa nabone bosema ngwana
yeah other bosema
which means murama police watendana ori niseme civilian.
But one thing in the Yori, there's different ways of how people will feel uncomfortable in the treatment. Rengas promote we are the because now we're gonna have more people. One of the influenced Duri NOTA Ozita as nothing happened. He has an influence in the following.
You must know what you are based on.
So some people they easily follow things.
And abesanga also NOTA and the mastermind. NOTA utamanga member ya watu. And he knew that taking a video is right. And everything that he said then, he wanted to trigger them. Nabona vitamin bofola for the trap.
He wanted to be
bofola for the trap. They should have kept quiet.
We know what the arrest you. So, but one thing's gonna. What we worry about. What we worry about, now. From there, what's gonna happen next? Something happened to her. Record your point.
Didn't suspect. Mara, not my police. My police have the investigation.
Yeah, 6 years.
If that's what it takes to arrest.
No, car arrest. 6 years. Or they investigate.
Hey, car arrest.
I think the power, not familiar with powerful.
Mara, I'm saying this again. Hey, Ndaba.
It's complicated.
Police alengwana lingweline lo arasiwa kana lo feel threatened kana lo feel safety yayo I compromised kaba vule Milandu ngori milayo ya South Africa I complicated.
No, I've been last time also wanga ngashimza. So no kumagana iko fungu negotiator.
No one complicated.
Oh, negotiator kubadelele because and
unapambano bukati ha usema na unyaza. Usema zinonyedza ngomu mara unyaza azinosema. Bezwibe ngandira yona.
Tunafunza ngokuthi fularo echo.
Netsefete yakukhomba. Zifana msuko mfi accurate noba precise
and accurate and accuracy.
Eso ya fun. Precise no accuracy.
Wait, as fun. That's all right. One, you funga gubuku. The other one, you funga bigaba.
So fana msuko fi precise no ba accurate. Accurate kama zori
target.
Yeah. No rwakambuno. Amapungo
kagomo
are true. Precise kama zori. Hey situation. Kana hey situation oni chito zachikuitea. Chino mean accurate. Niko mwanzo na kamba zori.
Hey, mara NOTA mara kote. I think mara before.
Already 1 + 1 is 2.
Before
it was very true.
Before things get
precise.
Before things get out of hand, I think utoka idziona kuti muri remind that I guess numbers on it. Utokadzi ngori kuchirere na mina vamwe vatu. Because at the end of the day, udozvita kha vamwe vatu. Vane avangatora to take a nonsense. But what vavarira futhi. Farmers market is coming to Protea Glen varinga November.
Okay. All right.
I think
Protea
Glen ngange.
Space no chia.
I think ndingahange
Panda space
yeah, I think vakambori kuvhura nga November. Yeah, early November, November.
Nice.
So mara ngasinga voice. Beside of the voice and as little as but it's dope.
Not so mara pa tongo do shipping yana zviyo.
Vachitoma.
Voice bia 8 randa. Cot. Ngudu fimi. Tampi.
Ziliwa. Porque ogonera bega itonga riro ska poso ntama kada farra ya banganje. Take chaone itonga reketo kwa viwo.
Yeah, always
buswa do biga arlambo zelando.
Mara farmers market is a good vibe, man. It's a good vibe. I think I would like to see actually talent ya hapa no kasini. Yeah, the showcase ine pala mina
yeah, they can come and
report na music rings ine pala.
I think one thing is farmers market, it's one place in the artists they can showcase their talent. Come on. I like let it grow ichita petu nga venda. I want to spoke about
venda
yone.
Figure. Standing up. There is farmers market.
Yes, the vendor standing.
Oh. The vendor. Come. Asin tumuna ngangeni guy. Ione farmers market venda. Western ione farmers market. The vendor.
Abazana mwenchimuna bebe akapi body.
The vendor ione farmers market.
Not offer. Abela chivenda chine cha mbocha pula net first
achitanga. Oh na ya farmers market ya figure. Ya Western. Shout out, man.
Yeah, he does up.
He does
up rekono diwori ione chimbilisa.
Yeah, farmers market. Yeah. I think ione ndo hivyo.
Ya wana napala migeroni arali comes on a space chuhuti. Ya chinga dzura. Imani kunga bale yapi topala.
Ana space mama.
Ana space na nge ntuni ngobona makwata mbani. If they can turn it to be like farmers market.
Yeah, mara we need more space.
Makwata mbani. Yo hura makwata mbani.
Makwata mbani.
Okay, maybe it's not good enough. But the design
I do apala figure. Afaka ipaka yo vurozulu. Babylon.
Yano vura.
Boy baita.
No, gomeza to vura.
Spa festival in mwa.
Chaka dos paka yako wa cheaper. Chofe dise.
Your peds. Cheaper.
Nani
festival. Royal Scarabona. Babylon.
Yeah.
So farmers market iko vura ngane panta. Kana ngange pass, kana ngange matungo. Kana someone nge ya kwetu nzube zori guy. Mara iko vura.
Yeah, so wakambori ko vura nange mo Protea Glen.
Yeah.
Very vineyard.
Oh.
I guess no.
And I bet you don't need a lot of things. You just need chipato chiti chine ndansala kacho bia cha main.
No, you don't even need
Sambureni. You don't
even need to. You just build the net as into the space in a minute. But what the rent?
And I'm cooking a ita man. I'm gonna eat a that kasi.
Yeah, what the render? But it
Mara obviously we'll go and podcast.
We're going to check it out.
The podcast.
Yeah, for ways we enjoyed Mara, we only hated the food.
Yeah, we're still going to go back to 4 Ways and do a podcast from there and interview people.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what did Ziamba ngazipinga?
Hey,
VenRap iko trakanye.
Repe. I think Rune besa VenRap Ziamba nazuri iko
trakanye. Ariko amuri iko trakanye. How the trakanye? Panga So I don't know atela periori ninga fila anuri ina stress chele dorchede za kwete mini only to find uri
one is
auditing.
Oh.
Nango no badera over 9 million.
External auditing kana internal.
I think now what we have hire for
the external.
Ngoda ko opanda the accountant zawe. Beba do chikombo hey bona mini.
You're owing.
ane va renga ngomo ne wa go tyo tonga ne wa go shuma ngomo ba go auditor di then wa go ra ro ri ni kolodiwa not ri koloda o badela 9 million extra
ikutobuya
ine what is 100 about 165 million extra
what taxi abahambi zori no badela extra asa kuyi
wani budze zwo koloda bits so wa kumkoloda 165 million rand $9 million
mani kuno de wisa ido women amara
yeah so akomborende so like 3 years to audit everything
Tyler Perry Studios Madia
so if $9 million le kwenga zikunari Tyler Perry extra studio
no na chale dems
9 million
ndo badela vatu akamini mini adabasana chale Zabo
9 million uko badela wako nosika zino abiza varini mumwe vatu vo actor vodhura nevara I'll give you 3 million
bo Idris Alba
I'll give you 3 million ava badela nga tax
matirimu nditsoko abe autinonga Will Smith yare iko dheitwa movie apa ndeipapo 40 million
adwa apa bonus vatambi the last ole wa Serena Williams
King Richards
bokombori bo wana bonus from his own pocket
namwana kudobvisa zvino I think next year obviously I would want about 60 million
yeah so ohora adwa pa bonus hava ngatambi vane avana bonus avapakela bonus
avisa million kamse baba 6
ndakubona wadherwa kumulova Black Adam
ndindivira movie yakare
Black Adam
Wanaconda
I go back because ndiko bora wana zino movie Black Adam yova you can go watch it at your own risk go waste your time and your data
aitakazi
it's all over
yes
there's a storyline it's fine but I feel Uri
no spoilers please
it was forced
no spoilers
no I'm just telling you to spoiler I'm saying I feel Uri it was forced it was too predictable come on
do what DC ne
I think so it didn't really have he was a superhero not a superhero but was a flying guy
asiona la utambuzi wache mtoko na mini
ndimwana wawo la kutambuzi
sechambuza
zino mara
sechambuza
wait you'll watch it and you'll come back and discuss it but what I'm saying is sorry the way I felt okay do you know what happened with Thor let me tell you what I did with Thor I pressed the play just when it started I don't even remember the intro or what day but something just said whack
which I'm saying
unga
ajana movie
what is this series She-Hulk
oh wa Hulk wa Makhadzi
I watched it till the end Marade I was looking for I think I watched about 5 or 6
season
1 I was looking for something maybe they'll change or something interesting dude CGI Yoshimisu wow you can tell I'm like what the hell is happening is this Marvel Studios doing this
Marvel
so I'm waiting for Deadpool 3
yeah the one you feel and do
yeah
Wolverine
I'm waiting for that one I'm hoping maybe
they will yes.
But let's be honest from January until now
movie
I watched Ludacris and the Queen Latifah's movie now it doesn't have this spark.
Gun something no
I watch and I'm still looking for more action
gun what nice movie
gun me send me the name
gun I think I have it somewhere
look for it
I have the name here gun something man I will check it after. Gun something.
Look, this is what we're worrying about.
Gunpoint.
Look at this. Most of the movie.
What's that movie?
Ikoba too predictable of how it's gonna end, ne? Or the struggle to have a proper ending. Ngobona unola movie lanu ule wapano lanu wofi nyinyi ula muzana ula wakutamba. Ending yaone nikuibona like no movie mina isizani yakuba honestly. The ending is forced.
Yeah. No, what? The ending, you could like, this ending, it was forced. It was a nice movie. Let me search. I think that was a movie. Gun, what? Gun, something, man.
Yeah. But what we're saying is, since January, we only have few movies that really stand out.
This year,
I tried to watch Rings of what?
Series?
The series? Dude, I couldn't go past the hype that I saw. People I was like, I couldn't go past episode 2. I couldn't go past episode 2.
I bet movie or tell the Rings. So why would I?
Do you know what happened? Did you know what happened when I watched a lot of Ring what episode 1 and I failed to watch episode 2? Remember Zina?
Zorro, as was Zorro.
No, I think it's going to come on today.
Zina no Zorro we are furana.
No, Zina Hercules.
As Zorro.
No.
Zorro funani.
Zorro ndi unga hange uyethe. Una Hercules.
Zorro Antonia Banderas. Zorro.
Like I went and watched Zina and then watch Villa Hercules. The first one wasn't bad because whatever that has been released now, I'm worried about Black Panther. I was watching
flop.
I was watching the trailer. The trailer is what I mean, it's too plain, man.
It's forced.
Everything.
It's forced.
That thing, but if it's the producer, I mean, blacklist to Hollywood, now they must think of going and get them back.
Move and what were blindy. No way were gunning me in the Kwamba, even though,
Now, if you train something,
train me
on the train or something, train something. Now, there's too much talking, man.
No one of your ambulance what now.
To do one.
When I'm moving, then check it out.
Do you know I was checking how much data I've spent on a movie?
They were on a poster for
694.
Sorry.
They come up until today.
Now what is it over?
Current.
Now what?
Current this month. And all the movies are useless. Movies and series are useless.
Na movie this times can send it in alone. That's it. Then it's still on. Zoni one come in. No move work hard, ne? No move me ne. A movie. Dinga see Cambodia. I blind. No lawa wa Jaguar. Apocolito. Hold on, hold on movie. Obviously,
that's the oldest movie.
What want to move here? You have to watch. Every time.
I think I've watched it 78 times.
Wozura hoyo.
Wozura one. Azura Italian Job.
Anybody makuru wange. What do you want to make on pera? Ufi chalista road.
I watched this one what the Rock and Thief what?
Oh, Kevin Hart.
Now, I'm not Kevin Hart. Which one?
Okay.
Now what the ending? Forced.
Oh, I'm going to read what?
Red, you know what? The ending. Forced.
So there comes a movie, ya kari blind. Apocolito. The Matrix is all tepu.
Oh, not the new one. Why don't you comment about the new one? Okay.
Uche muswesa. Habana hoyu une don't send one. Ufi lost something. Ko movie ndia 20 ine kutamba. Ndiri mudzanga wo movie. Kutamba 20. Itamba mafi mararu pedzi yari. Uska 2 hours. Best movie.
One of the best. Okay, I want to tell you. The best movie that nani chiri ngobona kumi waini uvange pasi hamu wange chigodini madindi ngeni magumoni mwedzini yange tizona kodha pa the tension una madagumone
rina call
na khonyana na jiga backside ngamilenje na wena no the time the good, the bad and the ugly.
Nazori, the funny thing Diori, we move oyo. Ndobona 2 years ago. It was my first time.
The good, the bad and the ugly.
Panda mdzimu.
Ola move nako
wala matama raro.
Ola move nacho mwana cassette ti.
That's what I want.
No kudikoda kwa.
And ndobona ngeni la quality ya pia mimi. Ya cassette.
Ndobona ola movie uchiko vi. No ranga decoder barmi.
DVD decoder.
Barmi nantu. Nantu pa cassette. No ranga ya fake ya magurani. Ya pisa.
JV watu ati
ilandi. JV si ya dotamba. Ranga funchungu. Itambiri wene
tela fauku.
Iko sokora. Andre chipisa ti. Ndi wone cassette ha.
Nando zura ndari. Umuna muvuni watu bazowa kuamba man. The good and the bad and the ugly. That's why you download it. I'm a blind. Blind. Nobody knows where it's the food. Alabatanga. Osara muchiri.
I don't want to there.
Osara. The bed.
I don't want to call them. Wala movie ni wana ndara ti. Na bika na lana fura kwa bita. Tan movie ora. So you say Ivana stuff na.
Kenya bena nyaba vetu.
Franklin.
I don't know on sata la matana.
So one of the good, the bad and the ugly.
I didn't check it out knowing about a man trapped let's see.
Yeah, that's a movie. What kind of favorite? Cheapers crisp.
Hey. Cheapers creepers.
Hey.
All is lost. 2013.
Oh, Zino. Ay.
Oh, Zino.
Check out the good, the bad.
Nikwambia wa worry. Hey, tiro mama ifima raro. Move water.
Are compare the good, the bad and the ugly.
And the boy to me, the good, the bad,
and the ugly.
1966.
But it's still top.
1966.
It still tops most of the movies.
All is lost. People go watch All is Lost.
And the good, the bad, and the ugly.
Yeah, keshikara. Kama ifima raro move what?
Go check the good, the bad, and the ugly, and you can tell us.
1 hour 46 minutes. 2. Mara movie no ne ya rate hoy. Audi ya rate hoy. Nanyi na movie ne yatakadharia Jackie Chan ani yabona.
Shumuna kafula kinini.
Na Mr. Bhee ni yabona.
Ndako one of the new Mr.
Bhee and what.
Mara dinu wachi
kwamba mara bana. Sisi kwamba.
Chicho atapazo ha.
Hoy iyo movie.
Kana Milandu the Bhee.
Sisi kwamba.
Sio tsika watu wakisia.
With the police.
Shamba na polisi akitoa polisi sasa it's just that they're trying to recreate the old Mr. Bean, but it can never catch up to that one.
Na Johnny English.
Johnny English.
I'm gonna be so young.
It's just
is there anything that you want to talk about?
Yeah, we just I think we'll talk about a lot of movies next time. But most of the movie na stories they are forced to the ending.
Yeah. Guys, go check out our channel. We have lots of
check out Nego the Negotiator. He's dropping something tomorrow.
Nego
the Negotiator. I forgot the crew Abakai. But check him out.
Yeah.
Negotiator.
Shout out to Father Tech.
Big up to Father Tech for, I saw he's recording new music.
Yeah.
He's also was doing some rap with Zakwe.
Yeah.
And yeah, man, Father Tech is one of the greatest. And Landmark is one of the greatest.
016.
Man, like, we just mentioning those two right now.
Yeah.
From the Val side, because they are two of the artists if you really want to change your sound or do something.
Yeah, if you want that authentic,
that competitive music, and can win you the fans from other provinces and other townships, you can win using that sound. Yeah. It's a sound that can conquer everywhere. It's a sound ya Zakwe na Mini.
Yeah.
And then nabo Big Zulu before they change the sound. So understand what I'm saying. But yeah, big up to Father Tech and Landmark.
Yeah, man.
Much respect.
The sound that they're doing, man, is authentic sound, man. Raw sound and catchy sound, man. So keep up, guys. Keep up, guys. The 10K winner at Back to the City this
Father
year.
Tech.
They said we're going to see him on the big stage next year.
Yeah, we are here.
We are here. Street Talk Podcast.
Yeah, what?
The name, the man Gale.
All the time. Bishop.